Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problems with your personal hotspot. So if you have problems with personal hotspot, so just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here cellular data. Just check if you turn it on, because if you turn it off, personal hotspot won't be available. So here you can see it. So you just need to check this thing, and also just turn on cellular data, and now you can see that it become available. So now you can check here your Wi-Fi password and just turn on here. So after, everyone could connect to your personal hotspot by typing the password on Wi-Fi. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.